When you want to reset a Samsung phone, you could do it from the Settings menu. But what if you reset these Samsung phones in different Android versions? For saving you time, we got a new tool to factory reset Samsung devices without any tap. Download UnlockGo Android from idolab.com. Click on One-Click Factory Reset. Connect your phone to your computer. Then click to start reset. Wait for a few seconds. Your phone should be back to factory settings. Well done. Set it up as a new Samsung. If you like this video, please like and share. To find more Android tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel now.